So hey everyone, this is the fourth tutorial in the beginner series look, and today I'm going to be doing like a back to school makeup look. So this is going to be like all drugstore. It's going to be like super easy for all those teens who want to do their makeup in a jiffy and get out of the door. So quickly, without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be going about with a foundation, and this one is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sun Beige, which is 3110. So I'm going to use this all over my face. So you can always like use your fingers to blend it through if you don't have a brush. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I didn't use a concealer back in the day, but considering the amount of sleep that teenagers get nowadays, I think they should be using a concealer. I'm gonna blend across my mouth. Okay, so concealing is done. We're going to set it with a compact, and this one is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light Beige. So I'm using the same puff which comes along with this in case you guys don't have brushes, but if you do, feel free to use those. That would like be really good. Okay, so my base is done and I'm going to move on to eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Nykaa Brow Chicka Wow eyebrow pencil in the shade Coven Cocoa. So in case that you guys have like really good eyebrows, you can totally skip on this step. So these pencils are like really quick in doing your eyebrows, and they give you like a really natural effect. So I'd say go ahead and get one of these, and they would be like your last minute savior. So if I was a teenager, I'd use a little bit of color in my eyes. So I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This one's in the shade Comfort Zone. So this one's got like pops of green, blue, and a little bit of like neutrals right here. It's got a transition. So we're just going to be using like one brush for this look. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of this transition shade here. Okay, I think I'm going to go about with this peachy tone here. I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna press it into my lid. I love shimmer, you guys. Like if I was a teen, I'd still be wearing shimmer, and shimmer is one thing which can make me happy. So I'm gonna use the same thing on my cheek as a highlighter. So it gives you like one of the most best finishes actually. So take some and put it on the bridge of your nose, and use your pinky and just press in some in your tear duct. So next we'll move on to a little bit of kohl on the upper eyelid. So I'm gonna be drawing it like super close to my lash line. Okay, so for your lower lash line, I have two fun options. Both of them are like metallic liners, and one is a silver and one is a blue. So you have two different colors. I'm kind of like radiating towards the blue because that's something I would typically wear in school. I'm just gonna do the lower part here. So a little color would look really good, and it's something I used to do. So I'm going to be using this very classic mascara which a lot of you would have used, which is the Colossal mascara from Maybelline. So I'm just going to give it like about 2 to 3 coats. Colossal and the Big Lash mascara were like one of the most famous ones at that time, and everyone used to wear this. And if you wear this one, you were like the cool girl in school. I'm going to be using the Studio West blush, and this one is like an orangey toned one. It's like a very beautiful coral tone, and it would look absolutely stunning on our skin actually. So I'm just going to add like ample amounts of blush. So I used like about 10 tubes of this when I was in school. Even if I skip like the rest of the makeup, I'll go about with this one product. So this one is like a classic product. This one is the Maybelline Baby Lips. This was like one whole series of like really bright neon-y kind of tones. And this one's in the shade Vivid Peach. It's kind of like a pinky, peachy shade. And it has one really strong peppermint smell. So it used to like slightly sting your lips when you wear it. I haven't worn this in the longest time. So ta-da, this completes the look. I just put on a choker and I wore this jacket, and yeah, that's about it. I don't know how to do my hair. just wore a jacket and I wore a choker and I'm done. So this completes our tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can always go about with a different shade of lipstick, and so make sure you check out the tutorials in the previous beginner series I made a bronze look, I made an office makeup look, I did a makeup look for people who wear glasses. In case you haven't subscribed, hit that button below. It isn't gonna cost you a penny, I swear. So until next time, bye.